Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Doge. And on today's video, we're going to be reacting to Matrix Martin Garrix. I don't know why I was going to say Matrix, but anyways. Martin Garrix. The song is called Animals. I'm not sure if I heard this song. The only animal song I remember is the one that I just did, the reaction to Bloodhound Gang. And then, of course, that song Animals. Baby, I'm praying on you tonight. That song. But super excited to see what this is all about. If you guys like Martin Garrix, please do leave a comment. Let me know what other songs you guys might want to hear or see me react to by them. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Very new channel, so show your boy some love. Thank you, thank you. All right, we're gonna get right into it. Martin Garrix, Animals. Hopefully it's loud enough.
Spinning TV.
Hopefully my mic isn't too loud. Oh, that's a party song. I like that. A little disco slash laser light or whatever you want to call it. The guy with the gun finger. Oh. This is sounding like 2015, 2014. Oh, I remember this song. Oh my goodness. I think I was in high school when this came out. I'm starting to feel old. This is what that song was called? Animals. Oh my goodness. This is a throwback. I've never seen this video at all. Oh my. No lyrics, just vibe. No way. They're actually gonna do that. I could have had that car, you know? So nostalgic. Who's that guy? Oh, that's Martin. Okay. Interesting. Wow. Wow. I've totally forgotten about this thing. This was a vibe. Hold on, let me see when it came out. 12 years ago. 2013, I was close. Yeah, I remember I was in high school when this came out. That's dope. Very nostalgic, very party vibe. I guess that's how I can put it. But yeah, definitely a good throwback. I really didn't know I can't even say who sung the song. I can only say who instrumental this song. But anyways, pretty dope song overall. Shout out to everybody that's been showing love to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what other songs you guys might want me to react to. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, take it easy. Peace. Hold on.